kusema watu wa apply watapata manyumba. Who is going to take you seriously? So these things we are following. And I agree with Governor Wavinya, let them pay the billion shillings. Kwanza wana. So you now wind them up as county government of Machakos. Wind up East African Portland. Because we are dealing with community land. Wazungu walikuja hapo that time. Na Aimimalu Kenya kwa mfano ni wazazi wao ambao walipatiwa I think support na mzungu aliyekuwa kule. So you can't dispossess a whole community. And the constitution is very clear. Ikiwa mambo jukumu la serikali yoyote ni kuhakikisha unalinda mali ya watu. And you are telling them you're going to give them affordable housing. Affordable housing on the one hand, and on the other hand, unabomoa. Yale maneno tumeambiwa na Wakenya during these consultative talks at Bomas ni ajabu. Mengine hata ni ya kuchokesha kwa sababu unaona waziri, this was public. Waziri wa fedha anakuja, Professor Ndung'u, anasema this thing called housing levy is an investment. Alafu anasema it is not a tax. The truth, wanalipisha kodi, and this is what the church has dealt with today. And I said it yesterday during the conference we had organized by this German NGO called Conrad Stiftung. And I said, and I think Deputy Governor hapa nimekusikia ukirudi, I think you have read these things. I want to be given an example of one country in the world which came out of economic crisis by overtaxing its own citizens. So clearly, this is an administration which has lost the sense of direction. Lakini because we are sitting with them, sitaki niongee zaidi ya hayo on those issues. Ni vizuri kuwa nyumbani, tusaidiane. Kwa hivyo